Yeah, my name is Konkani. I'm the Vice President of Engineering from NB+C, and we are here to meet with the press and share our experience working in Goa in collaboration with Remunance. So we've been here for last 4 years. I'm basically from Bangalore. I moved to US and I've been settled in US for 27 years. I wanted to come back here to India and collaborate with the local engineers here. And Goa has been such a great place for its talent and culture. We started working with a small bunch of people. It provided us great results, and we have been able to retain the talent. So we started expanding in Goa, and we are here today with 53 engineers working for us full time through Remunance for NB+C.
Conlon McCarthy, President of NB+C Network Building and Consulting. We are a US-based organization with about 450 employees. Our services are wireless, fiber, EV charging stations, and utilities, all development from early stages of site acquisition through engineering. We are here today. We've started a Goa operations with a partner, Remunance, that started 4 years ago. We started with about 3 engineers. As of today, we are at 53 engineers out of this office, and would like to grow it to about 75 engineers by the end of this year. The engineers that we deploy here are civil and structural engineers, and we're working with Remunance that does go to the local universities to recruit the talent. Dukeley Alight is the location of the Remunance office where the NB+C presence is.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.